Yeah, assalamu alaikum everyone. I just got a message from one of my friends. He's now doing business. He's now doing business in South Korea, and he asked me, give me some business tips that he can improve his business. So I told him that it's just simple, and he told me that he's been there for the last 4 years. He's not earning as much as the other people's around him. First of all, the business starts from your mind. So you have to control your mind. You have to work on your mind. Okay, business is not that difficult. What you think in your mind, you become the same. And what you manufacture in your mind, you become the same. So work on your mind. Many people will say that, oh, we know that. I told you. So business just starts from your mind. It's not about earning something like buying something cheap and selling something good price. No, it's training your mind according to business. There's a few steps that I often follow. When I traveled, a lot of business ideas comes in my mind. So, there's a research per day. There is around 6,000 ideas come in your mind. Around 60,000. There's a research. Everyone while sitting there will be thinking that it's easy to do business. So what you should do is just focus on one idea. Whenever new idea comes in your mind, that the new business idea, just remove that from your. I will prefer just one idea, not more than that. Second, so the second point is remove all negative ideas from your mind. So what are the negative ideas? Negative ideas are that someone is getting your sales, or someone is snatching your business. These are all negative ideas. Just focus on your idea. Whenever any negative idea comes in your mind, you replace that with positive idea. So what will be positive idea? So let's suppose right now I am doing one business. Okay, so when I feel that some customer, some competitor is trying to snatch my customers, what I do, I create, this is some negative idea comes in my mind, like this person is snatching my customers. So what I do, I make a list how to expand my business, not to stop him from stealing my business. Okay, if you go and stopping every person from stealing the customers, it's like you're going in a negative side. Never think like this. There's a customer, let's suppose there's 100 customers. Okay, there's 10 suppliers. Okay, you cannot control them. Okay, you cannot control them. What you do, you make a list and create new idea, like providing a new services, like giving them a discount offer. Okay, and placing some gifts. Okay, so this is one positive idea. The strategy which I call changing or replacing negative idea with positive idea. One, it helped me to don't be jealous. Okay. Second, it helped me to always focus on my business, not on other person's business. So always focus on your business. Never think about, you can do competitor analysis, but never focus on the other person's business. So another things what I do when I'm exercising my mind, when you go for a gym, you do body exercise, for your health. Okay, and another point, if you want to being a successful, do your brain exercise, read some books every time in the morning, make some kind of time and read books. Books are the best. And if you want to be always refreshed, read books. Stop watching movies. Technique is that I have learned from one book, that is, take a rose, okay, and then focus on the center of the rose and do not do anything else, just look at it. Okay, so by increasing your focus, you will be able to increase your concentration. You will be able to increase on your focus. When your mind is focused, okay, you can do every decision correct. Okay, traveling to refresh my mind now. I'm traveling, so take time for yourself. Make some travel. You know, by traveling, it expands your mind. If someone deny from it, why I'm spending too much money on my travel, you can see why I'm spending too much money on my travels. Because I'm doing to expand my mind. Don't ignore it. It will increase your vision. It will make you something different. You know, by traveling, you will face a lot of situation. Okay, by traveling, it will give you some, you know, epinephrine when you are in a situation that you cannot control that. So travel with your budget. I will suggest you at least once a year you should travel. Once a year. This is, I'm just giving you points for your mind. So after that, when your mind is trained, then you can earn. You can sit and earn a lot. Okay, there is no, you know, if someone is earning in your area and is making too much money, the difference between you is him is that you both have different mindset. He is superior than you in the mind, not in the another things. You might be same physically like him. Okay, so the only difference is mind. You can improve your mind by traveling. I told you, reading a book, okay, removing negative idea from your mind, okay, and then focus, concentration. I told you some techniques to improve your concentration, and then it's about traveling. Okay, traveling is very good. Travel, make a budget and travel. Stop surfing on social media. Okay, it creates a lot of negativity in your mind. Okay, so one thing in the last I will tell you that that one of my teacher told me when I was young and was in university. Okay, I supposed to learn everything earlier. I want to learn everything very fast because I want to become successful in a few hours. You know, even my family persons told me that this is not the way. My cousin often told me that, Kadir, this is not the way. My teacher example that once there was one student, he went to his teacher. Okay, he want to learn about business tips, yeah, and tricks. Okay, he asked the teacher gave him the formula and told him that repeat it, you will learn it in almost 5 months, the technique, the skills. Then if he told him, if I work 2 times on the formula you told me, how much time it will take me? The teacher told him that it will take you around 10 months. So again, the student was like me. He wanted to become successful very fast when I was 10 years before. So then he told the teacher that I will try 3 times more. The teacher again told him that this time you will be successful in learning all the skills I told you in 15 months. And the student asked him that why, when I'm working more hard, learn something, why it's taking me too much time? The teacher told him that everything has its own time. Okay, you cannot become very skilled person, in one day. It will take time, and everything will happen with the time. So Kim, this is for you. So work on your mind. I told you there's a time. Don't hurry. Don't try to become successful in one day or 2 days. Okay, it will take time. Same. It took me a lot of time. Even the focus strategy will take time. These are the strategies. You can judge it by reading the books. Okay, you read the book. It is the most practical way to find out that you are focused or not. It is the most practical way. You just read it, then recall it. How much you have read. Read 3 pages, then recall it. It's give the idea how much your mind is focused. So that's from my side. So thank you.